To free up some space by uninstalling unused apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care and then tap storage. Scroll down the screen. Tap unused apps to see all apps you rarely use. Now select the apps you'd like to uninstall. To uninstall the selected apps, tap uninstall button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up appears to confirm whether you like to continue uninstalling the selected apps. To continue the process, tap uninstall. The selected apps have been uninstalled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.